Are you looking for the best canister vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the 4 best canister vacuums on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Best Overall Canister Vacuum. This vacuum tackles almost everything and seamlessly transitions from carpet to hard floor. With a quick foot switch, you can tuck away the brush head bristles on low-pile carpet and pop them back out on hard floors. We love this simple design, as it saves time from swapping attachments. It was near perfection in our hardwood tests, equating to a whopping 99.5% of debris sucked up. With its lightweight design, just 13.1 pounds, this vacuum is easy to use. If you have stairs in your house, this vacuum will gladly make the trek up and down them to get them clean. Back on normal floors, it has large wheels that allow the canister to glide gently behind you as you move around the room. One of our testers added, although the C1 did great at cleaning conventional low-pile carpets, it struggled to suck up smaller materials like sand and rice on higher pile carpets. This type of flooring is notoriously difficult for any vacuum, and finding one that can handle it all isn't easy. If you don't have any shag or high pile, we wholeheartedly recommend this product. If you have high pile that needs to be cleaned often, the Kenmore Elite Pet Friendly Canister is the only vacuum in our lineup that excels at cleaning it. Power line, which offers unique features like internal attachment storage and premium materials. The C1 doesn't have a rolling brush head as some of the other top models have, like the Miele C3. On the one hand, we like the simplicity of having one main attachment, on the other, the brush head is nice on carpet. Still, we are very impressed by the Miele C1 and recommend it to anyone searching for a versatile canister vacuum. Number 2. Best Budget Canister Vacuum. It is one of the lightest of the bunch at just 9.4 pounds. That said, stairs are no trouble for this mighty little machine. It has a very powerful suction that can be adjusted based on the surface you are cleaning, and this proved to be the best for hard floor performance. The Eureka cleaned an impressive 99.3% of the mess on hardwood. We were also blown away by its edge cleaning performance. It ate up absolutely everything along the baseboards, and it did so with ease. While the Mighty Mite doesn't have a plethora of attachments, it has a very effective combination tool, with exposed bristles on one side and hard plastic on the other. We found this to do very well as an upholstery tool in our testing. Our lead tester notes, you get a lot of bang for your buck with this vacuum, and I highly recommend it for anyone with a lot of hard flooring. While the Mighty Mite impressed us in many ways, there are some considerations to keep in mind. This budget-friendly model doesn't have the same bells and whistles that the more expensive models offer. There is no place to dock the canister on the handle, so storing it is a little tricky. Our tester noted, the hose is cheap, it doesn't adjust and sometimes comes apart when I'm cleaning. The construction quality between the Mighty Mite and the Miele C1 is noticeable. We preferred the attachments and features of the Miele, like the quick rewind function, which the Mighty Mite doesn't include. Like most other canister vacuums, this one struggled with high pile carpet. Number 3. Best Canister Vacuum for Carpet Cleaning. High pile and shag carpets are notoriously difficult for vacuums, but the Kenmore Elite didn't disappoint. Impressively, this canister was able to pick up a majority of our mess, especially when we spent more time with it. A large part of this is thanks to the height adjuster, which can be controlled by a tap of your foot. We love how the spinning brush head almost propels the machine forward. I find that most canisters aren't fluid to work with because of the stiff bristle head design, but with a powered roller like the Kenmore, it felt much easier to push around my house, noted our lead tester, Rachel. It gently tugs on the canister, gliding along as you go. The Kenmore is also one of the best on hard floors. We simulated another mess on hardwood floors, and this vacuum picked up a whopping 99.3% of it. This vacuum cleaner has a triple HEPA filtration system, and when tested, we found very few particles escaped from the machine. The machine was one of the easiest to use, with plenty of features to keep us happy. The Kenmore Elite is the heaviest option in our lineup at 25.3 pounds. This vacuum was a pain to carry up and down stairs. I wouldn't recommend it if you need to move up and down often, noted a tester. However, if you don't need to vacuum multiple stories, the canister vacuum is actually very maneuverable thanks to its large wheels. The telescoping handle is also on the heavy side with the PowerMate attachment, weighing in at 8.9 pounds. This weight is significantly lessened with different attachments, but it still isn't the lightest of the bunch. Additionally, the PowerMate head is bulkier than most and, therefore doesn't fit under tight places as well. Even though the Kenmore Elite suggests it is pet-friendly in its name. Number 4. A premium canister vacuum upgrade. The Miele Complete C3 Kalima power line is the bigger sibling to the C1 Complete. As such, it is equipped with some upgrades like a suction power adjuster and onboard storage for attachments. Aside from pet hair, this vacuum impressed us. We were particularly pleased to see 99% of the debris cleaned on hardwood. While pricey, what you end up paying for is top-tier filtration and a spinning brush roll, along with some other minor features like longer reach. This HEPA filter-equipped vacuum earned an excellent rating during our tests, keeping fine dust and allergens trapped in the vacuum. Still, it is worth noting how similar this vacuum is to the Miele C1, but at a much higher price. From time to time, you can find this vacuum at a discounted rate, so it is worth considering if the extra features and HEPA filtration is worth it to you. If you have shedding pets, we recommend the Miele C1 over this one. The Complete C3 Kalima pushed most of the pet hair around, and what was caught was mostly wrapped around the brush roll. Still, this premium choice is good for those sensitive to allergens and like the extra bells and whistles.